Tinubu is not a good man at heart. I'm saying so. We are not a nation. We are a country of several bedfellows just put together, and we are living in pretense. Everything has now matured. I don't know what you say we're about to fail. We already failed. Now it's election 2027. Everything is Wike versus Fubara. And like that. Governor of my state, Osun State, has no party now. He ran to Accord Party. Accord Party have been divided into two again. The National Accord said they don't recognize him. Immediately, 753 houses. The man, he should be put on television to say, look, you are sick now. You should give you injection to say, you are not well. It's some sickness now. It's not